Welcome to Panda Express, and I'm gonna do a squishy video. I'm gonna do King's Court with squishies. Okay, guys? So yeah, let's get it. And I'm gonna do. No, I'm not gonna do giveaway. I'm nothing. Yes, I will do a giveaway on my GX card. If you ever like Pokemon, I would give. I know, so do it. If you want to get a giveaway, yeah, I give. Let's get back to the video and I'm gonna get my squishies. Yeah, but this might be kind of hard, guys. So you guys, let me get my squishies. No, I'm not doing this to you. I'm gonna get my squishies really fast, okay? I'm gonna go get them.
Stop it!
So I put it in the Oh my goodness, she's so cute. One's so cute. She's really cute. Daisy! Daisy! Come, Daisy, come! Say hi!
Hi.
She's so really cute. But now let's go get my squishy.
Mom, did we say hi,
Said okay. Wait, I gotta get. Oh, she fell. You okay? King's Court.
You give us gifts?
Get all my squishies out. Let me count my squishies, guys, okay? Okay, let's see my phone. So, we have 10 squishies, so I'm picking one randomly. I'll pick one of my squishies that I'll get later. So we got this Michael's cupcake. Got this Michael's cupcake. Versus this giant dollar bed, and the answer is the cupcake is slower and cuter. When it's over here, next is my donut. This is version 2. This is my meatloaf slice. Obvious, my donut. Losers. Next is my chipmunk squishy. Michael's and obvious. Oops, my green bag. Slow riding down. Yes. With my donut. Next is my bunny. My bunny squishy. Really starving. This is my carton of milk. That's entire. They're both really squishy, and they're both my favorite color of squishies, and they're both really cute. And I go with this. It's really cute. Cuter than my carton. Last two. Jeez. So I only had much to do 5 rounds. cream from Michael's. She too. Or this. This. You guys already know. I do that. So we have 5 winners, and now we're gonna do the best wish I have. Goodbye, melon. Melons. Goodbye, donuts. Yeah? I know. Okay. Okay.